So in today's video, we're going to compare some bread knives. The difference is in the steel, right? So this is our new professional grade German steel Mosfiata chef knife, an 8-inch serrated bread cutter. Obviously, we all have bread knives, but the difference is in the steel, right? This one, if you note right here, normal knives will rust, especially if you put them in the dishwasher and leave them out. This particular design and brand does not corrode. This is their other knife. We've had this for about a year or so, and it's pretty sharp. And it just goes right on it. This is like melt in your mouth fine. Wow, it snaps it. With this gift box, you also get a finger blade, so you can cut cucumber or whatnot. And then we've got a bread lame. You put a blade on the end of this. And then if you have dough, for example, like a bread, you can make little bevel design. Like these kinds of creases, for example, you'd be able to make in dough. And then so when it bakes, you actually have a crease.
We're going to use this old knife first. It's got a little rust on it and wear. Okay, so there's some crumbs, a little bit hard to cut. We're going to try this one now. The Mosfiata knife. We'll go for something thinner so it's a little bit harder to cut. Oh, it cuts so easily and like no crumbs.
One more?
It cuts like butter. Yeah. Let's see again. Very minimal crumbs. Not like the first one with these huge crumbs. You can use it, like it's not meant for
tomatoes, eh?
tomatoes, but it's still good, like it gets it done. A scooping avocado. Some tomato on top. Hundreds of them. Not like